server. So you can see that my repo is now cloned. Is automatically installing all the node modules and starting the server also. My server is exposed at port 9009. So I will let it install all the node modules. I'll close this. You can see this is the port running on my server. I'll close it. I'll clear out. Gitpod Classic is a cloud VS Code environment. To use Gitpod Classic, go to https://gitpod.io/classic, and the classic site. As you can see, Gitpod Classic is going to fall in 2025, but still we can use it with GitHub. So we log in with GitHub. After login, it will redirect to classic site, but classic site does not found 404. So we will go to gitpod/io/workspace also not found. So we will go to, after login to gitpod.io, we'll go to https://gitpod.io workspaces. This is the view of the workspace. We will click on configure your own repo. After that, I will choose our repo we will want to use. So I'm choosing wrap server. It is a mine. Will choose your own. Choose your coding editor, that is IDE. I will choose VS Code browser version. I will choose standard 4 cores, 8 GB RAM, 30 GB storage CPU, and click on continue. This will clone my GitHub repo, that is wrap server repo, onto the cloud of Gitpod, and it will host a VS Code server also with it, and the VS Code server will be live served to me in this browser. I will able to access the live cloud server. So you can see that my repo is now cloned. Is automatically installing all the node modules and starting the server also. My server is exposed at port 9009. So I will let it install all the node modules. I'll close this. You can see this is the port running on my server. I'll close it. I'll clear out. As you can see, it is totally Visual Code IDE running on my server. You can log in with GitHub also to see the commits. I will run the server with I'm running with node index.js. It start a localhost 909, but I will make it public, so I will able to access from anywhere. Clicking on public, copy the link, then I will open a new Unito tab, then paste the URL. Is accessing the 9009 port running on my cloud. As you can see, this is the basic HTML. As you can see, it is getting the request here. Close it for now. This is a Linux server. It is a Ubuntu server running on the cloud.